So a little update here on the winter cabin house here that I'm building. Making some progress. Got the floor done, getting the walls done. Gonna have a lot of nice windows that we're putting in here using these log posts. It's coming together quite nicely. I'm really liking how it's starting to look and shape up. So going in here, so right now it's mid-June, about 10 o'clock, and you can see we're going to get some really nice eastern light coming through this window in particular into the cabin here. So yeah, this is going to be the I'm going to build a sauna here. Actually going to open the door, go into the sauna, and this will be just a deck area, open deck. Gonna put a loft in. Yeah, gonna build this up nicely. And here today I'm gonna build a wall. This wall, the wall here is gonna be exactly the same as this. Close up this east side, and then start working on this northern section. And I really love this forest, so I want to get a really good window to view this northern forest section here. It's very beautiful when the sun sets. It shines through these birch trees and really beautiful color. And yeah, going over here we have the west side, so it'd be really nice to have a little western window here. Enjoy this little section. There's a lot of windows, a lot of beautiful views and things to see. So